Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to lock notes in iPhone using passcode. So if you want to lock your note with iPhone passcode, so here is the fix, how to do it. Here is the method. For this, go to settings, open settings. Now scroll down and tap on notes. Scroll down, you will find notes, tap on it. Now select password, choose password. You'll get this option here, password. Tap on password. Now you'll get two options, use iPhone passcode or create a separate passcode. Simply tap on use iPhone passcode. Now enter your passcode. That's it. You can also enable Face ID from here. So before proceeding, ensure keychain is turned on in iCloud settings. So for this, go back to your Apple ID. Tap on iCloud, tap on password and keychain and make sure it is turned on. Now set note password, go back to note setting, tap on password, and from here tap on password, select on my iPhone, enter your iPhone passcode to confirm. Now your notes now will be locked. To access them, you'll need to enter the specified passcode. For example, here I'm trying to access the notes. I have to enter the password. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next.